This may be too sophisticated a system for these kids. I told you it was too fucking hard because they're all dipshits. Okay, go ahead.
Persistence and determination beats genius and
Crap, you fucking ain't right. In 1993 at the Harvard Club, privileged to speak there. I had just been doing seminars a few months. And they asked me, Mr. Pena, what do you attribute your success to? And they said, brains or balls. And I didn't even think about it immediately off the tip of my tongue. I said 50-50 brains and balls.
I'm gonna
In
start
1997, I was
session
asked back to the
shortly.
Harvard Club. The same, almost the same group of people, CEOs. The only difference is this time on the diet, Ted Turner was on the diet with me. Not when I was there, but he was part of one of the speakers. And I changed it to 90-10.
How's it going, crypto people? I'm over here listening to Dan Payne.
Now
Get
I
my
say
day
99-1. You've already heard me say countless times, the more education you have, the harder it is. If you're an accountant, a lawyer, a medical doctor, a PhD, a rocket scientist, any of that kind of shit, it's the motherfucker. Because this is not linear. This model is not, this model is built on faith. In the beginning, 25 years ago, it had to be built on faith because we didn't have that many attendees that have been successful. I naively thought, and I'm a lot of things, guys, but naive, I've never been described as naive, but I naively thought that I turned $800 into about $500 million in 7-8 years.
About to get this show started in a second. Gotta do some promoting. So there's actually people on here. Get some conversation started.
All of it. And if I can do it, and we were even going to do an infomercial at the time, because infomercials were hot back in the early 90s, through the 90s, and we were going to do an infomercial with one of my classmates in high school who was getting life for murder. It was one of my guys that I hung with. That's the closest I ever hung. And said, Danny can do it anyway. But we decided against because I could see down the road, well, that's going to be on TV or fucking, I didn't know about the internet forever. And he's standing outside his cell, I mean, they're going to forget who's in the cell. Was it him or me? So I decided not to do it. So I was lucky. But it is, it's easy. Ray Kroc was not such a nice human being. And virtually all the icons that you're going to study this year fall into his category, or at least at his end of the continuum. Asshole. Okay, you also saw, what else did you see? Trump, the kid, Trump kid. Okay? Now, I assume, was anybody in this room, and this is an embarrassing question, it's not meant to be embarrassing, raised like little Trump? My kids were. Not quite as spoiled, but I mean, clearly at that end of the continuum. Clearly. It's a different world. Our daughter, when she was about 12 or 13, said, well, I realize people are starving, and I'm not saying it as nice as she did, and she didn't mean it as harsh as it's going to come across.
All right, here we go. Let's start this technical analysis today. Haven't looked at the markets at all, but it should be plain to see whatever the hell is going on. So let's look at it together. If you're up at this point in time, we'll go 2 o'clock in the morning. And that's when that's when I was trying to get my, wake up in the morning, 2 o'clock, take a shower and everything, be ready to see how the markets move up and down by 3. Normally, I stay up, and I'll be up to fucking 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning. Watch what the market's gonna do. I'm making my decision. But it would be way smarter to wake up at 2 o'clock, take a bath, shower, all this other stuff, work out, eat breakfast, and then be focused and awake and alert when the markets are doing what they do and make their decisions. Got a community question. I'm having a hard time with this fucking Jax wallet. So I put money in the Jax wallet. See how it's loading up? I put money into the Jax wallet. But whenever I try to go and I'm taking my 19.9 chain link out of the Jax wallet and I'm putting it on my Ledger Nano X. But on my phone, it's saying, and I don't know why it's doing this, but on my phone, it's saying that there's not enough internet or some shit like that. I tried to take my, I tried to switch my, I took some XRP out, I sent it to Coinbase. And apparently I had a fucking problem sending my, apparently I had a problem sending my, it's loading up. Let's see it. And fucking Jack's wallets ain't never right. Since I first put money in, it shit said $44. It never actually adjusts. What the fuck is that? Nah, that shit ain't doing nothing, yeah. It should say $44, right? And this is the page where it shows you what I got or whatever, right? It's saying that this much percent, that much percent, whatever, right? But it doesn't even show chain link, right? It doesn't even show my chain link. Let me get to where the chain link is, because it's hard for me to do it like that. So I open up my wallet. Let's see if it's the bullshit again. Normally does not take that long. I honestly want to get all of my shit off here. Now look at this. It's my chain link. 19 chain link, right? You see that? So how do I have over $300? How do I have over $300 in chain link? But my balance. What? Oh. Well, I guess the shit caught up to itself. Maybe I had to refresh it. I don't know. It's bullshit though. Because when I tried to send my chain link, it said that the internet connection wasn't strong enough. I guess somebody from Jack's Wallet must be watching this fucking video or something. And it was like, hey, we better goddamn fix this shit. He's saying his damn balance ain't goddamn actually reflecting the real deal. Okay, see now, you seen it before. Now chain link's at the top. But before it never showed my chain link. It never showed my actual balance. I guess you gotta fucking restart the whole shit or something before it damn updates or something, whatever. I don't know. Fuck it. All right, let's see what's going on in this fucking market. You know, I gotta calculate bills today and shit like that. Price chain link. This says 17, but I would never go off of that. I'm gonna use good old fashioned Coinbase. You know, it's what I know. It's secure. You know. All right, you guys ready for what you should already know? I mean, damn, Litecoin down 2%. It's at $62. Litecoin is the Lightning Network, all that bullshit. I don't believe in it. I had Litecoin when I first got into crypto. Oh, Litecoin Network. Listen to some fucking asshole on YouTube. They're gonna adoption, man. Nah, ain't none of that shit. Litecoin is fucking. Litecoin is the original shared coin, I believe. I'm not sure. I didn't space that far. But I do know about world politics, so on and so forth. Okay, Ethereum Classic, which is actually the original Ethereum, which Vitalik came off of, and they made Ethereum and then changed the original Ethereum to Ethereum Classic. I wouldn't say it's a shit coin, but I'm not. I got one Ethereum Classic, and it shit don't even cost nothing. It's at $7 $5.13 right now. You know, I think when I first bought Ethereum Classic, it was like $5, and then at some point it went to 10 or 12, and then it came back down, and now it's rising back up after the market crash, and it's at $7. I don't believe in Ethereum Classic. Ox, ZRX coin, some fucking retarded ass motherfucker was telling people, hey, anything with the Ox and the XRP, whenever you got those are decentralized and all this other shit. And you don't understand cryptocurrency. And you got this retarded ass motherfucker telling other people about goddamn cryptocurrencies like, oh, well, that's what it means. It means that it's not like and they're saying shit that just don't make sense. Because if you understand what cryptocurrency is, most of them are not decentralized. But Ox and fucking XRP, they're for the banks and they're very much centralized. So what the fuck are you talking about, man? And the reason I took my XRP out is because I'm just breaking even. It could go up right now, but why would I chance it going up? If it goes up, it's going to be for 2 months. You know what I'm saying? Because it's for the banks, it's for the governments. People are about to make bank runs. They're collapsing the dollar. All the banks around the world have been fucking. I mean, if you're betting on the banks, you don't need to be in crypto. For real. How the fuck you want to be in cryptocurrency and bet on the banks? You obviously don't fucking understand anything, and you're stupid. So if you're fucking betting on the banks and you got XRP and you're watching my channel and you're a fucking XRP warrior, goddamn, get off my channel. Man. We don't like your kind around here. All right, so Stellar Lumens, I guess it's got potential. It's only 10 cent right now, down 1.6. Basic attention token. Uh, it has. I think basic attention token has a lot of fucking potential. With the Brave browser, everything like that. If you don't know, download the Brave browser. You get paid for advertisements that you're gonna see anyway, doing what you do on a computer anyway, but they give you a percentage of your the shit and put it on there. Because if you don't have Google AdSense and you don't understand this type of shit, that's a whole bunch of money that goes right through your fingers for decades. If you've been on the computer for 10 years and you don't have an AdSense, that means hundreds of dollars that could have been yours went to the platforms. The Brave browser get your fair share and get you a cut, whatever, and fucking says, hey, he watched this commercial. For watching this commercial, you should at least give him a penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, whatever the case may be. You know what I'm saying? Less than a fucking penny, and it adds up to be a penny, or whatever the case may be. I told somebody about the Brave browser that's always on the computer. They shop on Walmart, fucking Amazon. They compare prices. I said, hey, use this browser. They got over 50 bucks. Yeah? They haven't even been on it that long. And just from all of the advertisements they're exposed to, they've already gained 50 bucks. Not to mention that the fucking coin itself is likely to raise in value once people understand what it is, its application, and that it exists. It's gonna fucking. I think basic attention token definitely has a lot of them use case. You know what I'm saying, for all kind of shit that will be built in the future. So yeah, basic attention token, 2 thumbs up. All right. You know what? Instead of talking about like EOS, I don't really know about EOS. I know that the influencers that I listen to, and I think that they know what they're talking about. They say EOS is okay. You know, I can't really talk of like MakerDAO. I hear about MakerDAO, but I don't remember. I don't have enough information on MakerDAO to 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 act like I'm knowledgeable. I'm not fucking knowledgeable in MakerDAO. Tezos, same thing. Not really knowledgeable of Tezos, but I do know that they have 5% fucking uh, staking. What more is there to fucking know? You know what I'm saying? I fuck with Tezos just because of that. Damn, that's up 1.4%. Dash, know nothing about Dash. I'm thinking this is uh Dame Dash's coin, and he was just early enough to get in one that made a coin called Dash. I mean, I have no idea what the fuck Dash does. Maybe I should learn to earn. Ethereum is down 1.45%. If you don't know what Ethereum is, you shouldn't be on this fucking channel. Kyber Network up 1.91. Damn. All right. So the OMG coin is up 24%. It was up way more than that. And it's down. And it's been going down within the last hour. Will it continue to pump up? Fuck no. I doubt it. It looks like a pump and dump to me. This shit all looks like pump and dumps to me, man. Look at this shit, man. I ain't even gonna show it. It look like bullshit. Okay, chain link is back up. It went down to 14. That's what old boy said. And I give credit where it's due. The moon. Hey, this is the moon, and we're Russia with the other guy. The moon. You know, this motherfucker said it was gonna hit 14. And it did. I missed it. If I'd have woke up this morning, I probably still wouldn't have traded this shit. But yeah, Chainlink, I don't see anything outperforming Chainlink, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. But it could. Could very well happen. Them, that's about it. Motherfuckers gonna make analysis charts. There's an analysis from here to here. I think it's gonna do all of this other shit or whatever. Yeah, I mean, I'm not doing that right now, obviously, because it'll be a bunch of bullshit. You know, it doesn't matter what it does in the short term. Okay, at the end of this month is when you should watch it. All this month, it don't fucking matter. Yo, take all your shit out. It don't really matter. Put it all in. It don't really matter because next month is where you're gonna see volatile markets. In September, that's where you're gonna see the change. December, beginning of the bull run. Just remember where you heard it first. All right. So that's how I feel about crypto, and essentially, if there's breaking news, I didn't I ain't hear about it. Ain't nothing gonna happen right now. If you didn't watch the video yesterday, all of the people who are financiers, they're putting all of their money in the market because they know this is the last time the market gonna raise with all of the fucking money printing and everything else. The market's high as it's gonna be. It's never gonna be this high again. So everybody's in the traditional markets just trying to get as much as they can so they can fucking get some Bitcoin in September and December. Yesterday's video, a lot of information. Should definitely check it out. Today's video, not so much, but it's okay. Let me show you computer nerds now. Get ready for this one. Computer nerd, computer nerd. Computer nerd. Right, alright. Oh, I got my passcode. Siri sucks. I think this is Siri. Whatever the fuck the name of this Apple shit is, it sucks. Man. I'd rather have Google Assistant, honestly. Let me show you the difference between Apple shit and Google Assistant. You ready? I'm gonna ask them both the same question. Let's see who gives the best answer. What should the question be? Let, let's ask the price of Bitcoin. What is the price of Bitcoin?
1 Bitcoin equals $11,779.
What is the price of Bitcoin?
That would be $11,831.97.
That's how it should be, right? Let's ask another question. That's not in the market. Let's see. Let's see. A question. Something that you would ask an assistant, and you would want a quick, fast response to. So let's try a math problem. What is 2 plus 2?
It's 4.
Okay, that was an easy one, Siri. Fucking answering questions today. All right, let's see. Golden Dragon.
Okay, check it out.
Okay, was this motherfucker working in there or something? Normally it tells me, oh, well, I found information on the internet about that. So let's see. I can't think of a question. I asked this motherfucker a bunch of questions and it always says, oh, well, here, I found results for that. And it was some bullshit every fucking time. Call J. Michael's Philly Deli.
Calling J. Reese Mobile.
That's not right. I want to call J. Reese. For what? You know what I'm saying? You gotta do. I don't know. I can't think of anything. But 9 times out of 10, I ask fucking Siri or whatever the shit is for Apple. I asked it the question and then I say, I'll looking it up, try to find it. But I ask Google Assistant some shit and then it just tell me the answer. It doesn't have to give me a fucking web page, basically. All right. I guess I'm done for today. There's 800 motherfuckers looking at this guy's live stream, and he's not saying shit. It's just a picture of a graph, and they're sitting there like they're waiting for that fucking graph to start doing something or whatever. The graph ain't doing shit. There's 800 motherfuckers just sitting there. Stupidest shit I ever seen in the world. I guess there's not a lot of fucking interest in the crypto community right now. And probably shouldn't be. You should be in stocks right now. If you're fucking trading money and all of this other shit and you're doing shit, the stocks is where it's at right now because our market is going to be compressed because you got a bunch of people taking money out of the crypto market, putting in the stock market because they're obviously inflating. And right before the end, everybody wants to guess this fucking end whenever it goes up before the market comes down, and they're going to try and put it in crypto. And that's in September, December. So that is when to be in crypto. So I guess I'll just come up here every day until then, if I can. If I don't find something better to do with my time than to try and tell you useless idiots good information. So until then, like, subscribe, comment.